ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to all in Samveda E-classes. How are you, children? Yeah, I hope you all are fine. You all are doing well. I am Najmanas, working in Government Urdu HPS Police Colony, Raichur. I am going to take today 4th standard English Unit 4 lesson A Jolly Ride on the Nemma Metro. In that part 5th of 6th. Okay, children. Now review of previous class. Yesterday I gave you homework. Now I will check that. First homework I given to you. Read the lesson with correct pronunciation, pause and pitch. I hope you all are read in home. Next, second one, learn and write new words 5 times. Okay, third homework I given to you. Copy the following sentences in the 4-line book. First one, my favorite thing is to go where I have never been. Second one, I have left my heart in so many places. These 2 lines you have to write in the 4-line book. I hope you written like this in your 4-line book. These are the yesterday's homework. Okay, children, I hope you all are done your homework. Next, in previous class, we learned some new words from this lesson. Those are new words we learned in this lesson. Those are fun. Fun means enjoyment. You know well, fun means enjoyment. लुत्फ हासिल करना, मजा लेना. These children are playing with the water. They are enjoying. They are making fun. Second one, allow. Allow is nothing but permit. To ask permission for. Ijazat lena. Here a boy is asking for permission. Third one, demand. Demand is nothing but to ask for forcefully. यानी मांग करना. ये आप पिक्चर में देख रहे होंगे, ये पीपल कुछ अपने मांग रख रहे हैं. Here fourth one, follow, to come or go behind somebody. Here in this picture, you are looking in this picture, the chicks are following to the hen. This is the example for follow. Follow यानी पीछा करना. Next one, get off. Get off is nothing but move out. The passengers are get off from the Namma metro. यानी उतर रहे हैं, नीचे उतर रहे हैं ट्रेन से. Sixth one, platform. Platform means the place where you get on or off train at the railway station. आप रेलवे स्टेशन में ट्रेन को चढ़ते हैं और उतरते हैं, नहीं उस जगह को हम क्या कहते हैं, प्लेटफॉर्म कहते हैं. Now seventh one is pride. Pride is nothing but being proud. I am proud to be an Indian. फख्र, proud यानी फख्र करना. मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ बोलकर मैं फख्र करता हूँ. I am proud to be an Indian. Okay. Eighth one, agree. Agree means to have the same opinion as somebody. यानी मुत्तफिक होना, किसी बात पर राजी होना, एक ही राय रखने को हम क्या कहते हैं, अग्री कहते हैं. किसी की बात सुनकर उस बात को मुत्तफिक होना हम क्या कहते हैं, अग्री कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, एक्साइटेड. एक्साइटेड मीन्स ईगर. बेताब होना. ये पिक्चर में देखो, ये लड़की है नी कुछ सुनने के लिए बेताब हो रही है. दिस इज बेताब. एक्साइटेड मीन्स ईगर. ईगर मीन्स बेताब. 10th one, sliding doors. Sliding doors, I think you all are see in your home are in some malls. Okay, doors moving sideways. Look at this sliding doors in this picture, children. A boy is pushing the slide doors. Now comprehensive question. Yesterday in previous class I done lesson. On the basis of that I asked some questions to you. Comprehensive questions. First one, what does metro mean? मेट्रो का मतलब क्या है? मेट्रो का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? Okay, you know well. Metro means an underground train system or elevated road system. Underground में है नी ट्रेन मूव होती है या तो है नी फ्लाईओवर पे है नी मूव होती है. ऐसी ट्रेन को हम क्या कहते हैं? मेट्रो ट्रेन कहते हैं. Second one, how is the platform of Namma Metro? In the previous class, you know well, you read in the lesson, the platform of the Namma Metro is very beautiful and clean. Very beautiful and clean. Yes, very good children. Third one, which type of doors open when the train stops? Third question is, which type of doors open when the train stops? Okay, here you are. Look at this train, student. It is standing here. When the train stops, which type of windows, which type of doors open here? Sliding doors. Which type of doors? Sliding doors. Sliding windows, sliding doors are using here. Okay, now we go to the lesson, children. You have opened the page number 58. I will read the lesson. You should listen carefully and you should keep your pointer finger under the words. Okay, shall I read now? Okay, you have to listen carefully. We are of valley, Satvik exclaimed. However, Valley was getting up to the offer her seat to an elder lady. Look, said Apurva, we are traveling above the ground now. Look at the traffic jam, Apurva said, and we are moving above all that noise and confusion. How will we know when we have to get off? Satvik asked worriedly. There, his auntie pointed to the displayed window. We had to get off at the next station. Can't you hear the announcement? Apurva said. Come on, children, their aunt called. The train stopped. The doors opened and they were out on the platform. Did you have fun? Their uncle asked. Yes, said Apurva. Can we go on the Namma Metro again? Satvik asked. It's such fun. Okay, up to this today's lesson, student, and in this lesson we will see what are the new words are there. New words, first one, noise. Noise means sound. Noise यानी शोर, आवाज को हम noise कहते हैं. कौन से sounds, noise आप जानते हैं? Look at this picture, children. Here the cars, the vehicles are making sounds. This is making beep sounds. This is making honk sounds. These are irritating to our ears. That's why we are call it as noise. Okay? यानी noise का मतलब sound है, शोर है, आवाज है. Second one, worried. Worried means anxious. Anxious means worried यानी ये पिक्चर को देखने के बाद आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा? ये बच्चा क्या खुश है? ये बच्चा खुश नजर आ रहा या क्या नजर आ रहा आपको ये बच्चा? Yes, he is anxious. He is worried. यानी ये परेशान नजर आ रहा. Worried मतलब परेशान. Next, third one, announcement. Announcement is nothing but statement. I hope this man is announcing something. ये लड़का कुछ अनाउंस कर रहा है. अनाउंसमेंट आप कहाँ कहाँ सुनते हैं? रेलवे स्टेशन में सुनते हैं नहीं आप? द ट्रेन नंबर 253031 शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस इज अराइविंग नाउ. ऐसे अनाउंसमेंट सुनते नहीं आप रेलवे स्टेशन में? Yeah, in bus stand also you will listen the announcements. Okay, announcement is nothing but statement. Display. Display यानी exhibit. डिस्प्ले का मतलब क्या है? एग्जिबिट है. एग्जिबिट यानी जाहिर. आप कपड़ों की दुकान में देखे होंगे. What are the new varieties of sarees? They are exhibit on the doll. Exhibit यानी जाहिर. Next one, confusion. Confusion means indecision. Look at this picture, children. Here a girl is confused. She is confused to come to a decision. तो एक पक्का डिसीजन में नहीं आ रही. कुछ बातों से, कुछ काम करने से पहले हमारे को पक्का नहीं मालूम होता. यही करना या ये करना, ये कंफ्यूजन है. उसको इनडिसीजन कहते हैं. Now I will explain today's lesson. Okay children, I hope you are at page number 58. We are off valley. We are off. Off बोले तो क्या? मूड ऑफ होता नहीं आपका? कुछ आपके पेरेंट्स आपको कुछ डांट दिए या स्कूल में आप होमवर्क नहीं करे. ओह नो, आई डिडंट डू टुडेस होमवर्क. आपका मूड ऑफ होता नहीं? इसी तरह वैली भी वी आर ऑफ बोल को है नहीं बोलते वैली को. सात्विक एक्सक्लाइम. एक्सक्लाइम बोले तो क्या? सात्विक सेड यानी सात्विक बोलिया. सेड, एक्सक्लाइम both are same. However, Valley was getting up to offer her seat to an elder lady. Elder lady बोले तो क्या? उम्र हुए सो औरत. एल्डर बोले तो बड़े. बड़े है नहीं औरत. बड़े औरत यहाँ पिक्चर में आप देख सकते, उनको एल्डरली लेडी बोलते हैं. कौन? वैली गेटिंग अप टू ऑफर हर सीट. उन ट्रेन में, नम्मा मेट्रो ट्रेन में बैठकर रहती सीट में उम्र की औरत आते ही उन्होंने क्या करते? वैली अपना सीट छोड़ को है नी उनको है नी सीट देते. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज गुड मैनर. अच्छे अखलाक. ये बच्ची है नी वैली अपना सीट छोड़ को उम्र वालों को देती तो है नी ये क्या है? अच्छे अखलाक है, गुड मैनर है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. लुक, said Apurva. We are traveling above the ground now. Look at this picture children. Here the vehicles on the road. There are more vehicles, the more crowds here on the road. The Namma metro train is moving. An elevated road system. ये रोड से ऊपर जो फ्लाईओवर बना है उससे है नी ट्रेन पास हो रहा. देयर इज नो डिस्टर्बेंस. इज इट डिस्टर्बेंस टू द ट्रेन? नो, इट इज नॉट डिस्टर्बेंस. इट इज मूविंग इन इट्स रूट एंड दे आर मूविंग ऑन द रोड, सो इट्स नॉट डिस्टर्ब टू द ट्रेन. अपूर्वा सेड and we are moving above all that noise and confusion. बच्चों, आप नॉइस का मतलब सीखे. नॉइस इज नथिंग बट शोर. ज्यादा ट्रैफिक होने से क्या होता है, शोर होता है नहीं, वो हॉर्न करते हैं, साइड में जाओ, इधर जाओ, उधर जाओ बोलकर, टू गिव द मैसेज दे ब्लो द हॉर्न. So those noise and confusion, they are not irritated to the Namma Metro because it goes elevated road system. The Namma Metro train moves on elevated road system. I hope you are understand this. Next one, how will we know when we have to get off? Okay, आप ट्रेन में बैठे, बैठने के बाद आप सीट उम्र की औरत को छोड़ कर दिए. अब नेक्स्ट आपको कैसा मालूम होता कहाँ उतरना है, आपका प्लेस आने के बाद कैसा मालूम होता? हाउ विल वी नो व्हेन वी हैव टू गेट ऑफ? गेट ऑफ मतलब मूव आउट, ट्रेन से बाहर आना. सात्विक आस्ट वरीडली, वरीडली यानी परेशान. ट्रेन में देखो पूरे डोर्स क्लोज हो गए, वो ट्रेन जब ठहरती जब भी स्लाइडिंग डोर्स ओपन होते, ये वैसा होकर सात्विक परेशान है. बिकॉज ही केम फ्रॉम विलेज, ही डोंट नो अबाउट द नम्मा मेट्रो ट्रेन, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज वरीड. देयर हिज आंटी पॉइंटेड टू द डिस्प्लेड विंडो. उनकी आंटी ये पॉइंटेड टू द, इसको बताते डिस्प्ले विंडो को. डिस्प्ले, डिस्प्ले मतलब क्या बोली मैं, जाहिर होना. हियर डिस्प्लेड देयर प्लेस, this is the display window. We have to get up at the next station. This display window is showing which place is this. If it's place yours, you have to get off there. आपको यहाँ उतरना है तो आप यहाँ उतरो, या फिर here showing to you, displaying to you which place is this, which place you want to go. You see the display window and you have to move out from the train. Now, can't you hear the announcement? Announcement यानी statement. ट्रेन में, रेलवे स्टेशन में अनाउंसमेंट करते हैं नहीं, आपको सुने आता बार बार. ओ नाउ वाराणसी एक्सप्रेस इज अराइविंग, नाउ शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस इज अराइविंग, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस इज अराइविंग. लाइक दैट अनाउंसमेंट यू आर हियर in the railway station. अपूर्वा said, आपको सुने नहीं आ रहा क्या अनाउंसमेंट बोलकर पूछते. Come on children, their aunt called. Come on, आ जाओ बच्चों. Children means बच्चे. Come on, आ जाओ, aunt बुलाते. The train stopped. ट्रेन रुकी. The doors opened. The sliding doors opened. And they were out on the platform. Okay? बस ट्रेन रुकने के बाद क्या होता, डोर्स ओपन होते, बच्चे सब, बच्चे आंट सब है नहीं, उतरते ट्रेन से. Did you have fun? Their uncle asked. फन बोले तो क्या, मजो, एंजॉयमेंट, लुत्फ है नहीं, आपको मजा आया क्या, एंजॉय करे क्या आप जर्नी नम्मा मेट्रो की. कर को कौन पूछते, अंकल आस्क्ड, अंकल पूछती. तो बच्चे क्या बोलते, यस सेड अपूर्वा. यस, हमें एंजॉय करे बोलकर अपूर्वा बोलते. कैन वी गो ऑन द नम्मा मेट्रो अगेन? सात्विक आस्क्ड. सात्विक पूछता, हमें दोबारा जाएंगे नम्मा मेट्रो में बोलकर, नम्मा मेट्रो में फिर जर्नी करेंगे, दोबारा जाएंगे क्या कर को बोल को पूछता सात्विक. इट्स सच फन, बहुत मजा आया मुझे वो नम्मा मेट्रो ट्रेन में सफर करने से, तो दोबारा उसमें सफर करेंगे क्या बोल को खुशी से पूछता. ओके चिल्ड्रन, दैट्स ऑल इन दिस लेसन. दैट्स ऑल इन अ जॉली राइड ऑन नम्मा मेट्रो ट्रेन. Okay, now we go to the exercise task. Before this, just a glance of the jolly ride on the Namma Metro. You know what are the characters are there in this lesson? Aunt is there, uncle is there. Aunt name, Aunt Anusha, uncle Satvik, Apurva, and their cousin Valley are there. Satvik and Apurva came from the village Nandipura. Where they came, they came to their aunt, uncle home. Okay, they like to travel on Namma Metro. They all went to the Namma Metro and they travel on the Namma Metro and they get off and they take the journey of the Namma metro and they enjoyed lot. Okay children, now we go to the exercise task, that is correct the mistake in each line. Here mistake is given, you have to find out and you correct the mistake. Shall I read now? We wanted to went into the forest to play, but we couldn't got there on the way we hand and accident appa drives the car into a tree. No one was hurt, so we didn't had to go to the hospital. Dad are angry because we made so much noise in the car. He can't pay attention to the road. Okay children, I read these lines. Here in each lines have a mistake, you have to find out. Okay. Here we wanted to went into the forest. इसका मतलब क्या है? हम फॉरेस्ट को जाना चाहते थे, तो went is the past tense, गए. तो we have to write here, instead of went we have to write go. हम बगीचे को जाना चाहते थे, तो went गए बोलकर, इसलिए हमें यहाँ क्या डालना? go. Second one, to play, but we couldn't got there on. Instead हमें वहाँ खेलना चाहते थे, but वहाँ नहीं पहुँचे. got means पहुँचे, got there पहुँचे, नहीं पहुँचे नहीं, तो इसे है नहीं get there. So instead of got we have to write get. The way we had an accident occur. Instead of had here we have to write have. रास्ते में क्या हुआ? Accident हुआ. Drives the car into a tree. Into नहीं आना है, onto. Instead of into we have to write onto. Was hurt, so we didn't had to go to the, had के बदले यहाँ क्या आना? have आना. Hospital, dad are angry because we. Instead of are we have to write dad. Dad is a singular, so instead of are we have to write is. Made so much noise in the car, he made. Instead of made we have to write make. Can't pay attention to the road. Road can't के बदले में क्या लिखना है? couldn't लिखना है. Now we wanted to go into the forest to play, but we couldn't get there. हम बगीचे को जाना चाह रहे थे खेलने के वास्ते, लेकिन हम वहाँ नहीं पहुँचे. On the way we have accident. Appa drives the car onto a tree. हम रास्ते में जब जा रहे थे तो क्या हुआ? एक्सीडेंट हुआ, तो कार जाको कहाँ लगी? दरख्त को लगी. No one was hurt. अल्लाह के फजल से किसी को तकलीफ नहीं हुई. So we didn't have to go to the hospital. हम किसी को तकलीफ नहीं हुई, चोट नहीं पहुंची, तो हम हॉस्पिटल नहीं गए. डैड इज एंग्री. एंग्री यानी गुस्सा करे. अब्बा हमारे को गुस्सा करते नहीं, इसी तरह है उनके डैड उनको गुस्सा करे. कई को बिकॉज वी मेक सो मच नॉइज. जब कार में सफर कर रहे थे तो बच्चे बहुत शोर मचा रहे थे. दे मेकिंग सो मच नॉइज, सो है नहीं उनके डैड उनको गुस्सा करे. ही couldn't pay attention to the road. उनके अब बच्चे शोर मचाने से क्या करें? उन्हें पूरा अटेंशन देकर ड्राइव नहीं कर सके. Okay children, these are the mistakes in these sentences. You remove this mistake and you have to write this. I will read again. We wanted to go into the forest to play, but we couldn't get there. On the way, we have accident. Appa drives the car onto a tree. No one was hurt. So we didn't have to go to the hospital. Dad is angry because we make so much noise in the car. He couldn't pay attention to the road. Okay, student, now move to the next task, that is spelling game is the another task. Now in this task we will see, look at the ing forms. You have to read this ing or ing. Ing forms of words given in the box. They fit into 3 boxes. One is done for you. Here some words are given. Ing forms words. All words ending with ing forms. Isn't it, students? Look here. These words are ending with ing forms. I will read this. Afterwards I will tell what we want to do. Traveling, laughing, stopping, giving, seeing, looking, flying, singing, going, dancing, writing, reading, jumping, putting, kicking, moving, driving, riding, feeling, eating, playing, ruling. These words are ending with ing. Okay, these words are ending with ing forms. Now, in putting, in sitting, sitting, T sound, T. T is repeated twice. Sit, ing, sitting. Here there is no spelling change here. Same spelling we have to write. Sit plus T plus ing is equal to sitting. Travel, L plus ing, traveling. Here look at this words, children. There is no spelling change here, or we are not changing spelling here, and we are not removing any letter. All letters are using here. Traveling, sitting, all letters we are written here. Stopping, stop plus p plus ing is equal to stopping. Put plus t plus ing, putting. Here put, t, ing. All letters are using in this word putting. In sitting, traveling, stopping, putting, all letters are used here. Next, student, read it. Talk plus ing, talking. Here there is no repeated sound. All single sound is there. In before we saw sit plus ta plus ing, sitting. Ta sound is repeated. But here there is no repeated sound. Talk plus ing, talking. Laugh plus ing, laughing. See plus ing, seeing. Look plus ing, looking. Fly plus ing, flying. Sing plus ing, singing. Go plus ing, going. Read plus ing, reading. Jump plus ing, jumping. Eat plus ing, eating. Play plus ing, playing. Okay, student. In before we read sit plus stop plus ing, sitting. The T sound is repeated and no letters is replaced or removed. Here also, here single sound is there, but no letters are removed or replaced here. Okay, look here, talk plus ing, talking. Silent letter is there, but no one sound is repeated. Here you have very conscious here. Take plus ing is equal to taking. When we write taking, T-A-K-E-I-N-G. T-A-K-I-N-G. Where is E? E is removed. It's not replaced. इसके वजह कोई से दूसरा लेटर नहीं डाले. ये removed. Why we removed? This is general rule. Okay? This is general rule in English. Whenever the word is ending with E and it include to ing, then it's go to E will be removed. Remove यानी निकाल देना, इसको replace कोई दूसरा लेटर नहीं डालना. Look here, take plus ing is equal to taking. T-A-K-I-N-G, taking, ये निकाल दिए. Here give, कौन सा भी word ending with E and when you add ing, that goes to giving, you have to remove E. Give plus ing, giving. कौन से भी वर्ड को जब आप इंग फॉर्म लगाते हैं, जो नया वर्ड बनता है, तब आप ई को रिमूव करना है, निकालना है. नेक्स्ट डांस. डांस में भी देखो वर्ड इज एंड विथ ई. ई से एंड हो रहा वर्ड, इसको जब हम इंग लगाए तो डांसिंग होता. यहाँ ई निकाल दिए हम डांसिंग में. राइट इंग, राइटिंग में भी देखो टी के बाद ई निकाल दिए, ING ऐड करे. मूव प्लस इंग इज इक्वल टू मूविंग. यहाँ भी MOVE मूव है, लेकिन ई निकाल दिए ING, मूविंग. ड्राइव प्लस इंग इज इक्वल टू ड्राइविंग. राइड प्लस इंग इज इक्वल टू राइडिंग. Rule plus ing is equal to ruling. I hope you understand this, children. When the word is end with E and that you add to the ing form, that goes to a new word, and that time you have to remove E. Okay, now the last stage of today's session is homework. Okay, today's homework, children. Look at the ing forms of words given in the box. Read and write them 2 times. बच्चों, यहाँ बॉक्स में हम इंग फॉर्म के थोड़े वर्ड्स दिए हैं आपको. आप इसको पढ़ो और 2 बार लिखो. अब मैं एक बार पढ़ती हूँ, आप घर में इसको पढ़ने की प्रैक्टिस करिए और लिखने की प्रैक्टिस करिए. ट्रैवलिंग, लाफिंग, स्टॉपिंग, गिविंग, सीइंग, लुकिंग, फ्लाइंग, सिंगिंग, गोइंग, dancing, writing, reading, jumping, putting, kicking, moving, driving, riding, feeling, eating, playing, ruling. Okay, children, you should read in your home and practice these words. Okay, children, that's all in today's session. Meet you in next class. Stay home, stay safe, be happy. I am Najmanas, working in Government Urdu HPS, Police Colony, Raichur. Thank you.
अनुदिना अनुक्षण